to Girls Can,
Girls Will,
and Girls Did. I'm your host, Tahira.
And I'm Nania.
Nania,
Yes, ma'am.
what in the world are we going to do today?
Today, we are going back to the batteries. And I like to focus on these batteries for a while because, ladies, we know we always need a battery. Whether it's for a nail machine, whether it's for a hair product or a hair machine, we always need a battery. So today, we're going to look at what happens when you don't have the right size battery.
So this time, not necessarily not enough batteries, but the size of the battery.
The size of the batteries. Ladies, you've ever had an appliance or a product that needed AA batteries and all you could find was AAA?
Yes.
Well, I'm going to show you today how to make those AAA batteries work.
Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, ladies, so here we go. We have an appliance that we need to get powered up. We only have AAA batteries. And it takes what? AA. So how can we make it work? I'm going to show you how. Come on. So here we have our AAA batteries, and we can see clearly it's what? It's not making that connection. It's not tight enough, right? Well, all we have to do is go ahead and install these batteries as you would. But take a little foil. Foil is our friend. So we're actually going to take this out, one battery out, and I'm going to basically wrap my foil around the back end of this battery. And I'm going to do it pretty tight to get it to the size that I need it. All right. And I'm going to do the same with this battery. I'm going to wrap my foil at the base end. Make sure it's wrapped pretty tight to make sure I make that connection to the size that I need. So now I'm going to go ahead and install it. And now you see that our AA batteries are what? Fitting tight. So let's see if it works. So we just took AAA batteries and made them work for a AA setting. News you can definitely use.
Nania.
Yes.
You did that, girl.
I did I? But, you know, I think this was really a skill that is very useful, ladies. Like, you know, like I said, you never know when, hey, all you have maybe is a double size and you may need a C size battery. Will it still work? Hey, try it and see. You know what I mean? Like I said, it's just never know. So it's always better to have this piece of knowledge in your back pocket.
Yes. So it's what? News you can
use.
There you go. So, till next time.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And let us know what else you want to see us do.
Yes, let us know. We will get Nania to do all the dangerous things.
Well, until next time.
Bye.
Bye.